welcome back to another episode of Mark II Golf Stories. Now, I've got a confession to make. I did a video a couple of weeks ago where I took the clocks out, peeled off the white dials, put some really classy, nice chrome surrounds in. But while doing that, like I say, I cocked something up. So let's go and have a look, eh? Let's go. So after putting everything back together, I've now discovered that the turn that off, engine temp and fuel gauge are not working. You take all this off again, take the clocks out, and while I'm at it, I'm actually going to change the LEDs as well. One of the things I want to do is take off the green strip, which is in here. So to do that, you need to get a small screwdriver, prise it in here till that clips off. Do the same on this side, and then run it along here under these tabs. And they pop off, pop, 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 pop. And you can move it forward like that. And you need to come around and you just give it a good prise forward. You can get it under there as well, and it just comes off. There's your green strip. And that comes off. Like so. Ta-da! Let's put this back on. These tabs lined up. Clicks in place. Easy as that. Also, I've taken the pin off and put it back on, so it's sitting in the right position now. So I've just taken the back off again, and I've noticed this pin here, focus, is bent. Also, it's worth noting that these screws provide grounds for this PCB, and it's worth checking them, because if they're rusty, like this one, you're not going to get a good contact. So give them a good clean, and or put the rusty ones where it's not going to matter over the PCB. So I'm going to check all of these before I tighten them up. Good news, the fuel gauge is working again. So it must have been a bad contact or a bad screw. Or maybe that bent pin, who knows. Well, there we go. Everything's working again. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give us a like, click on subscribe, buy me a beer if you want to. Beer is basically the fuel for me. No, there's one more thing to show you, and this is especially for you, Stu, because I know you're going to really enjoy this, but what do you think of this? It looks purple, but they are blue, I swear. I know someone's not going to be very happy with that. And I'm on the fence myself, to be honest with you. But, yeah. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And I hope you found this video useful if you had a problem with your fuel gauge and temperature gauge. Thanks a lot. See you in another video again soon. Bye-bye.